Hello friends, this is Yusuf Alari over here. Today I am going to share with you my weekly Nifty view and the reason behind it. Today what happened? After opening, Nifty opened at around 9135. There was a one-way rally in Nifty today. As you can see by this chart, this was the opening. Nifty opened here and there was a one-way rally. Anybody who had shorted Nifty today got trapped. Why did Nifty went up? Because there was rally in Bank Nifty. Arey bhai, why did Bank Nifty went up? I will show you to you over here. Nifty was up by 1%. Okay, but the financial services was up by 1.55, Bank Nifty was up by 1.42, and the public sector banks were up by 144. The reason was our finance minister Mr. Arun Jaitley made a statement that soon there will be a solution to NPA problems. Now, is that so? Now we have to see what is happening in Bank Nifty. This is Nifty. In Bank Nifty, there was a rally from 17,500. From here the Nifty made a beautiful run, and this is the trend line which got broken. This was an upper trend line which got broken. Now I think this was a false breakout. This was a false breakout. Anybody bought over here, he had bought a Nifty futures on a very top level. My view is that Nifty, Bank Nifty both have become sideways. Why? The simple reason is the trend line has been broken, and we will check it in Nifty also. You see, this was a trend line. Nifty had started its run from 7,900 around. This was a uptrend. This is the trend line, and now that trend line has been broken. Now let us see what is happening inside. Now you see, from this trend line, it got broken over here. Somebody sold Nifty. Higher top, lower bottom, higher top, lower bottom, lower top and lower bottom, lower top and lower bottom. This was a W formation, and Nifty is making a retracement. This was a trend line which got which Nifty tried to break. What has happened in Bank Nifty today? Same thing, because the cause of this rally in Nifty today was Bank Nifty. The trend line got broken. I shorted Bank Nifty over here. I cover it up. Thankfully, I covered it over here. I had covered Bank Nifty over here, and this is the rally, and this is a retracement. Now, what are the FFI doing? This is FFI chart. Why I come to a conclusion? What is my view? Why my view is that Bank Nifty is going sideways? You have to see these three charts. Okay, in this chart you see that the FFI were buying in cash and they were selling in future. This was the arbitrage going on. Okay, but now what has happened? They have stopped buying and they are selling. They are booking their profits and they are getting out of the market. They are selling over here, but they are not buying over here. 1 point. Okay, so there is the absence of buying. And in index futures, what they are doing is they are selling heavily. Can you see this head and shoulder? This is selling of FFI index futures. Okay, now you see over here, what is their total long? 2,26,000. And what is their total sell? 1,11,000. Now if you see over here, they are on constant basis getting out of their long position. They are getting out of their long position and their short position is increasing. This is their total buy and total sell. The buy is getting reduced and the sell position are getting increased. Okay, now you see over here, this is a percentage rise. The percentage rise in FFI sell figure is much bigger than the percentage buying. This is the cause and this is the effect. The trend has been broken in Bank Nifty. This is EOD chart, and this white candle which you see is today's candle. Okay, so now what is happening? What happened today? What happened today? If you see, there was such a big rally today, but actually FFI have sold around 279. They have sold in cash. Okay, but what they did in future market? There was a huge increase of 11% in open interest. What happened? Their open interest in long increased only by 3%, but their open interest on the shorter side increased by 18%. This is a very huge amount. It means they have risen their short position by around 20%. Why would you do that? Until and unless you feel that the Nifty is not going up. Okay. Now you see, this is Nifty EOD. This is Nifty EOD, end of the Nifty. Nifty has a pivot, weekly pivot of 9137. On Friday the closing was 9119. Nifty had closed below the pivot. In this week, the first resistance is 9199 over this red line. That is the first resistance. Now Nifty has closed above this resistance. The closing today is 9217, I think so. But the thing is, what about Bank Nifty? Nifty cannot go up without the help of Bank Nifty. Here is the point. Bank Nifty has to cross 21870, and there is another resistance. That resistance is 21874. In short, if Nifty has to go up, the Bank Nifty has to stay above 21900. Until and unless the Bank Nifty stays above 21900, it will be very difficult for Nifty to go up. Now let's see what is the position over here. There is such a huge call writing at the level of 22,000, and this is 21,500. That is why I can say that the Nifty has become a range bound until and unless the closing end of this session, end of this month, when we will have the monthly closing of options. Okay, so this is my view. Now another thing which is helping my view is here. You see, the market is divided on 9200. The huge position of call writers and put writers for this series is on 9200. So if they close the market around 9200, they will be eating up the premium on both the side. This is my view. I have a view that the market will remain a range bound. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will be posting such many videos. Thank you.